Baitur Rahman, located in the center of Banda Aceh. Masjid Raya Baitur Rahman is a symbol of religion, culture, spirit, strength, struggle, and nationalism of the Acehnese people. This mosque was built in 1292. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake occurred at 8 hours 58 minutes and 53 seconds WIB on December 26, 2004. Its epicenter was located off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. The earthquake shock was on a scale of 9.1 to 9.3. Tsunami waves that reached 30 meter high killed 230,000 to 280,000 people in 14 countries.
When we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone, somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
The Museum Tsunami consists of 2,500 square meters, 4-story. Curve was covered in geometric reliefs. Inside, visitors enter through a dark, narrow corridor between two high water walls intended to recreate the noise and panic of the tsunami itself.
Above us, only sky. Imagine all the people living for today.
The walls of the museum are decorated with pictures of people performing the Saman dance,
It isn't hard to do.
a symbolic gesture dedicated to the strength, discipline, and religious beliefs of the Acehnese people.
And no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace.
The traditional house of Aceh has another uniqueness, which is always having a water barrel in front of the house, so that the feet of the guests are clean when entering the house. This means that the guests who come have good intention towards the house. This Aceh traditional house was built without using nails.